orbitals, T2G orbitals from D1 to D10. See here. Splitting of the electrons in HS in tetrahedral complexes. First, we have here HS only. Okay, T2G, EG. Okay, resultant spin the electrons. Okay, now total electrons X of T2G, X of EG, okay, and total X plus Y. Okay, now for D1, okay, what is the one electron here? Here 0. Total electrons spin is about what? X T2G electron is equal to 1. Here also Y is equal to 0, therefore is equal to 1. For D2, D3, D4, D5. Okay. For T2G, D2 is equal to what? That is equal to T2G equal to how many electrons? That is equal to 3 orbitals. That is equal to here. We can draw here as it is 1, 2. EG is equal to what? That is equal to 0. Resultant spin is equal to 1. Electron can carry half the result, therefore spin is equal to 1. X of T2G electrons, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Of 3, see here 1, 2, 3 according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Here also 0. Resultant spin is equal to how much? That is half plus half plus half. That is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3, 0, 3. For D4, that is equal to here. We are considering only high spin complex. 1, 2, 3, and here also 4. Due to small energy gap between the T2G and EG orbitals. Okay. Now, sorry, सुकला EG ऑर्बिटल करायला पाहिजे होतं ना पहिला EG. Now we will see the splitting of d electrons in tetrahedral complex of only high spin. In high spin, which orbital is taken as the first? That is equal to EG orbitals. EG, then T2G, then resultant spin. Okay, number of unpaired electrons for N of EG, N of T2G, that is equal to X, is equal to Y, and here X plus Y. Okay, now for D1, here you can draw here as in box. Okay, T2G, 1 electron from here. Okay, therefore resultant spin is equal to half. 1 electron for half according to spin quantum number. N of EG is equal to 1. The N of T2G here only you can call it as E, and here also T2. Okay, therefore N of T2 is equal to 0, that is equal to 1. For D2, okay, 1, 2. Here resultant spin is equal to 1. Then electron of E orbital is equal to what? E orbital is equal to how many electrons? That is equal to 2 electrons, equal to 0, that is equal to 2. For D3, how many electrons first? According to Hund's rule of maximum speed, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, due to small energy gap. That is equal to, the resultant spin is equal to what? That is 3 by 2. Okay, that is equal to what? That is 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3. For D4, okay, what happens here? 1, 2, here also 1, 2, 3. So for 4, 1, 2, 3 and here 4. What is the result of spin? That is equal to 2. Okay, and therefore net electrons equal to 2, and here also 2. That is equal to 4. For D5, okay, how many electrons according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, what is the result of spin? About 1, 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to result of spin, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, that is equal to what? That is 5 by 2. Okay, the resultant spin is about 5 by 2. Number of electrons 2, here equal to 3, equal to 5. Okay, now for the electrons, that is equal to 6.